Alright, so I know y'all been waiting to see the intro. Intro is short, sweet, simple, to the point. So, let's check it out. Alright, so, I'm about to take this to work with me this morning. Try these out. See what they are all about. Cranberry orange muffins. Yeah. So, I'll catch up with y'all later. Probably because of this. Fire breathing creature. Good morning, y'all. It is Tuesday. We just have to literally get through this day. So, I've had no coffee this morning. I have no Ilani this morning. I actually have 3 Ilanis at home. It's just that I didn't feel like bringing one. Now, I did bring the cranberry orange Martha White muffin pack, and I bought everything that I'll need in order to make it. So I'm trying to do it at work because we have an oven in the ice sim room. So I just texted my coworker and asked if I can use that. And then we also were given breakfast this morning. So we have biscuits and gravy, we have eggs, we have fruit. I don't know if I'm gonna eat it because every time I get it, it's always cold. So I don't know. We shall see. But I am taking an extended lunch today for Cam's appointment, and then I will be coming back and then just finishing out the last hour or two of work, and kind of going from there. But anyways, I will catch up with y'all later. Don't know what this weather wants to do. It says that it's like 42 out here and it's cloudy. I know that it's supposed to be like some showers today or whatever. We'll see. Hopefully the showers don't make it seem like a long day and make it go by fast like it did yesterday. Ooh, all right, y'all. I got Cam. Who was that? Oh, okay, nobody. I left work to take him to his appointment, and then my grandfather's supposed to meet me there at the end to take him back to his house, and he'll just chill there until I get off at 2:40. Basically we're done by like 2:35, but then I have to clock out, wait till so then I'll just go grab him, head home, and we'll just wait on Scott to get off the bus. No use in sending him back to school. He's already checked out for the day, even though they've already mailed me and said that he's been absent 3 times, which is a crack of bull crap because clearly I haven't missed work. So I don't know how that's possible. I'll be calling about that. But anyway, that's it. That's all. I took my 30 minutes for my lunch. My lunch is clearly at the school, so I guess I just won't eat, or I'll just get some Chick-fil-A or something. And then, yeah, what I will do, I don't know. I don't know if I want to eat later when I get back to work or what, but we'll figure it out. All right, y'all, I'm heading home. It is currently raining. I want to turn my heat on in the house. And of course, I need to figure out what in the world I really need to do within myself around the house. Like laundry, vacuum, all of that good stuff. Laundry, I take that back. I'm not doing until tomorrow afternoon. So I am gonna figure out what dinner's going to be, and then kind of go from there. I don't know what in the world I have in the fridge that I can cook. And if not, I can always run out and grab something. But it is actually chilly. Chillier than early, if you ask me. So I am a little cold right now. But definitely if you guys have the cranberry orange muffin mix in your store, grab about 2 or 3 of those, because they were definitely good. You definitely like it. It gave off the fall scent, you know, like the taste. But you know, with you know, Thanksgiving, you know, getting ready to be over in a day or two, like I said, definitely try it. And then of course you can also use it at Christmas time. So
Paul know me trying to pull my drug about 350, 355. They come out 3. Yeah.